Hello there. Welcome to the channel. Today, we explore into the fascinating world of woodworking crafting. Woodworking is a timeless art that combines creativity with functionality, allowing artisans to create beautiful pieces that add warmth and character to any home. As consumers increasingly seek unique and sustainable decor options, the demand for handcrafted wooden items is on the rise. This growing trend presents a wonderful opportunity for crafters to explore elegant wooden home decor ideas that not only showcase their talents but also resonate with the values of today's buyers. By focusing on high-quality materials and innovative designs, artisans can carve out a distinct niche in this competitive landscape, appealing to those who appreciate the beauty of natural materials and the stories behind each handcrafted piece. However, the journey to creating a successful woodworking business involves navigating various challenges, from identifying target audiences to implementing effective marketing strategies. Understanding current trends and consumer preferences is essential for artisans looking to tailor their offerings and stand out in a crowded marketplace. Additionally, the emphasis on sustainability requires crafters to source materials responsibly, fostering a deeper connection with eco-conscious consumers. By embracing technology and leveraging social media platforms, artisans can showcase their work, share their creative processes, and engage with potential customers. Ultimately, the path to profit in the realm of wooden home decor lies in balancing creativity with strategic business practices, ensuring that each piece not only serves a practical purpose but also enriches the lives of those who welcome it into their homes. If you enjoyed this content and want to see more, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us create even more amazing videos tailored just for you. Don't forget to share this video with friends and family who might find it interesting or inspiring. Also, give us a like if you appreciated what you saw. It really motivates us. And be sure to stay until the end of the video. We've got some exciting bonus content and additional tips that you won't want to miss. Thank you for being part of our community. The woodworking industry presents an exciting opportunity for artisans to blend creativity with entrepreneurship. Crafting elegant wooden home decor allows crafters to express their artistic vision while tapping into a market that increasingly values handmade and unique products. The beauty of wood lies in its versatility. It can be transformed into functional items or decorative pieces that enhance the aesthetic of any space. As consumers seek to personalize their homes, the demand for distinctive wooden decor continues to rise, offering crafters a promising avenue for profit. Identifying a niche within the woodworking market is essential for success. While many artisans may start with a broad range of products, focusing on a specific style, such as rustic farmhouse, modern minimalism, or bohemian chic, can help distinguish their offerings. By honing in on a particular aesthetic, crafters can create a cohesive collection that appeals to targeted consumer segments. Understanding the preferences and trends within their chosen niche allows artisans to tailor their designs and marketing efforts, increasing their chances of attracting loyal customers. Sustainability has become a cornerstone of consumer purchasing decisions, particularly in the realm of home decor. Artisans who prioritize eco-friendly practices, such as using reclaimed wood or sustainable sourcing, can effectively resonate with environmentally conscious buyers. Communicating the story behind the materials used in each piece not only enhances the perceived value, but also fosters a deeper connection between the maker and the consumer. By embracing sustainability, crafters can carve out a unique position in the market while contributing positively to the environment. The crafting process itself presents both challenges and opportunities for artisans. Creating high-quality wooden decor requires skill, precision, and attention to detail. Many crafters invest time in refining their techniques, experimenting with different finishes, and understanding the properties of various wood types. This dedication to craftsmanship not only results in superior products but also sets the foundation for a strong brand reputation. Artisans who consistently deliver high-quality pieces can build trust with their customers, leading to repeat business and positive referrals. Marketing is a critical component of running a successful woodworking business. In today's digital age, having a strong online presence is essential. Social media platforms like Instagram and Pinterest provide artisans with the opportunity to showcase their work visually, engaging potential customers through stunning imagery and compelling narratives. Sharing behind-the-scenes glimpses of the crafting process or stories about the inspiration behind specific pieces can humanize the brand and create a loyal following. Additionally, leveraging email marketing and blogging can help drive traffic to an artisan's website, increasing visibility and sales. Participating in local craft fairs and markets can also be an effective strategy for reaching new customers. These events provide artisans with the chance to showcase their work in person, allowing potential buyers to interact with the products directly. Engaging with customers face-to-face can create memorable experiences that foster brand loyalty. Moreover, networking with other artisans at such events can lead to collaborative opportunities, shared resources, and valuable insights into the industry. Understanding pricing strategies is vital for artisans to ensure profitability. Many crafters struggle with setting prices that reflect the quality of their work while remaining competitive in the market. It's essential to consider factors such as material costs, labor, and overhead when determining pricing. Conducting market research to analyze similar products can offer insights into appropriate price points. Offering a range of products at different price levels can also help cater to a broader audience, making it easier for artisans to find their footing in the marketplace. Ultimately, the journey of crafting elegant wooden home decor for profit is a fulfilling blend of artistry, entrepreneurship, and community. By focusing on quality, sustainability, and effective marketing strategies, artisans can create beautiful products that resonate with consumers and enhance their homes. With dedication and a passion for woodworking, crafters can not only achieve financial success but also contribute positively to the world of handmade decor, enriching the lives of those who appreciate the beauty of wood. Embracing technology can significantly enhance the efficiency and reach of a woodworking business. Utilizing design software can streamline the planning and crafting process, while e-commerce platforms enable artisans to sell their products online. High-quality photography is essential for showcasing wooden decor effectively, as visual appeal plays a crucial role in attracting buyers. Additionally, investing in a user-friendly website can enhance the shopping experience, allowing customers to navigate products easily and make purchases with confidence. Thank you for watching the video. We truly appreciate your time and support. Whether you're a longtime viewer or new to our channel, your presence makes a difference. We hope you found the information valuable and inspiring for your own projects. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. It helps us and others discover our content. Feel free to share it with anyone who might benefit from the ideas and tips we discussed. Thank you once again for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more exciting content in the future.